When you look at what's going on with how digital infrastructure companies, how data center companies approach this whole category of materials handling, moving equipment from one place in the facility to another, especially as you look at facilities with thousands of servers in a single location and large volume of batteries as well. What do you feel is the biggest challenge that the industry now has to overcome, or the biggest mistake that you see others, other companies and other parts of the industry, and how they look at ergonomics and material handling in a data center?
We have different kind of changes in the market. We have this concerning the loads, because the AI units are mostly more heavy. But you also have different changes in cooling system. We have sometimes differences in the corridor. The aisles are different. The cold corridors are different. So it's happening a lot of things. And for us as a company, it's then very important to have different kind of products, different lifting equipment, but also logistic equipment to move around the servers, the batteries, the UPS, all these kind of material. And we also work outside the data center into the companies manufacturing the racks and other equipment. So we think it's very important to be, I will not say global, but to have an access on the different integrators, co-location. We work with hyperscale. We work with suppliers, all kinds of suppliers. And that's very important also to this, I would say, segment. Seems rather, how to say, simple, but it's, as I told you, more and more complicated. And it's also changing a lot due of problem with cooling, electricity. There are new innovations, I will not say daily, but nearly. So the market is changing. The equipment suppliers, of course, have to be more and more. Also, we have also to invite more and more products to adapt for the end user. So it's a very good market, a lot of data center. The data center are making more and more development, but the supplier needs to be more and more, how to say, have to adapt his offer and the way of working. We can't only, as we said, only have one contact person. We have several. We have different way of working to the end user, if it's replacement or it's a global project. So it's multi-dimension work we're doing when we go out for this market.